Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A2x, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings. And here scroll all the way down to additional settings, and then again all the way down to backup and reset. Choose reset phone and erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. Once you do, it gives us this pop-up, erase all data. This will clear all data. And then, are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Obviously, if you have anything in your device that you want to preserve, music, photos, documents, stuff like that, make a copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this will be deleted and cannot be undone. Now, I'm going to select erase data once more, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. And it should take about like a minute, 2 minutes tops to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.